Hey everybody, welcome back to JayFieldCoin, and today we are going to be showing you the unboxing of our brand new Bitcoin ATM. Now, Bitcoin ATMs, many people don't really know about them, but this one actually came all the way from Prague, and so as you can see, it's pretty heavy. It took about a week or so to come, but it came in a lot of plastic, a lot of wrapping, a lot of tape. Even though it's a pretty compact device, it still had its weight on it, had its challenges out for us. But here we are, smiling and happy. Cheese. So here's some instructions on basically just getting started, unboxing, the real basics of it. And then we noticed here that we need keys. But where are the keys? So here we are looking for the keys in order to get into the machine so we can actually plug it in and learn how to use it. Long last, we found the keys. There we go. Now we open up the machine, and here are some more instructions and directions along with some stickers. So we got some Bitcoin stickers, more stickers, and some Bitcoin accepted here for when we put them into our stores. And now we're going to walk you through the actual components of the Bitcoin machine. First, we had the bills are inserted from the front of the device to the actual cash box. So the bills are inserted right here. As you can see, we're opening and closing it. And then down here on with a separate set of keys, we're actually able to find the cash box. So for people who aren't familiar with ATMs, if you have maintenance done on your machine, then you can have one set of keys to actually get in and fix the bill dispenser or anything, and you need a second set of keys for your cash box so the maintenance person can't get your money. Within the cash box, we have the power cord, and we also have the wall stand. So some of our ATM locations have wall stands. Some of them are just standing alone on a regular stand, much like how you see it right here in the video. After we open up the cash box, we then try to put it back in. And even though it was seemingly simple taking it out, putting things back together aren't as simple. So watch here as our beloved COO struggles with putting the machine back together. Let's see how long it actually takes. There you go. So as you all see, the bill dispenser goes in first and then the cash box. So now we lock up the cash box, close up the machine, lock it, and the next thing to do is plug in the power cord so we can actually configure the machine to Wi-Fi. One thing to note is that when these machines come, they're obviously not connected to any Wi-Fi, so you have to plug it in, go into the cloud terminal, and connect it from the cloud in order to connect to your home Wi-Fi. Well, that's all we have for you today. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure to check out the next video for the actual configuration of this Bitcoin machine.